create your own security-based glitch. Number 1, get Ghost Walker. 3,330 money. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. You know what? Yeah, I'm dead. Sorry. I'm using one hand. Sorry. Okay, so you're gonna have the Ghost Walker. Number 2. While holding Ghost Walker, click Edit. Jesus. Oh my god. While holding it, the Ghost Walker, click on Edit. Click this 2 times. 1, 2. And get the Ghost Walker. It'll say 0. That shows that you've done it. And then voila, you'll fly. You just select it. You'll fly in the air. You can control it by just pressing the whatever number it is back. You'll get it back. So it's basically unlimited fly glitch. And you go, even if you don't have it selected, you can still jump higher. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe and like. Yep. Chadletsky. My username is Nixon.